Hi guys, welcome to AKTV Studios, a new and improved Andrew Colden TV. Andrew Colden, your host, here with a tutorial on how to teach you guys how to save more money at the pump. Now, here with this tutorial, we're going to start off by opening up our web browser. We're going to be going to a website known as Gasbuddy.com, but we're going to be doing what is called the Plus membership, where we'll be paying $4.99 a month to help you guys save 20 cents a gallon every time. Now, go ahead and fill out the registration form. You're going to be needing your email address, password, first and last name, driver's license number, and your bank account routing number to start. Once that information is all filled out, go ahead and check your mailbox for your Gasbuddy card. Your Gasbuddy card should look a little something like this. Now, this is actually a better image of it, which is a stock photo. Now that you have an idea of what your card looks like, we're going to be doing something else. Now, on your tablet or smartphone, go ahead and download this app called Getupside. Now, Getupside, alongside with Gasbuddy, you'll be saving even more on gas. Open up the app and let's see which gas stations are near us that accepts Getupside. I can already tell that Exxon gas station accepts it. So let's go ahead and claim that offer, and we're gonna go ahead and swipe our Gasbuddy card. Now, it's gonna ask for a driver ID. It's gonna be the PIN number that you set. Once you're done pumping gas, you're gonna wanna hit yes for receipt. You're gonna ask for that receipt, and you're gonna go ahead and either scan that in using the app, or you can use what's called the last 4 digits of your bank card, which will be located also on that receipt. You're going to be inputting that information into the Getupside app and you'll be ready to go. This concludes my tutorial, so I hope you guys find this tutorial very useful, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more tutorials at AKTV Studios.